What if I told you that just $3.50 a day, the price of your morning coffee, could quietly turn into over $21,000 in just 10 years? Sounds unbelievable, right? But this isn't luck or magic. It's a quiet wealth trick that smart investors use every single day. Here's the truth. Most people ignore small amounts of money. We think it's just a few dollars, it won't make a difference. But for investors, small money is the seed of financial freedom. Let's do some simple math. $3.50 a day equals $105 a month. If you invest that in an S&P 500 index fund, which has returned about 10% a year on average, in 10 years, you'd have around $21,000. In 20 years, almost $80,000. That's the power of compound growth. Your money earns money, and then that new money earns even more. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to be consistent. Every time you skip that daily expense and invest it instead, you're buying a little piece of your future freedom. This is how real wealth is built, not through risky bets, but through small, steady actions that quietly multiply over time. Think of compounding like planting a tree. At first, it's just a seed, small, invisible, unnoticeable. But with time, it grows roots. And soon, it becomes something powerful. That's exactly what happens with your money. Each dollar you invest earns interest, and the next year, you earn interest on that interest. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. It gets bigger, faster, and unstoppable. Now imagine if you raised your daily investment from $3.50 to $5. That's just the price of a sandwich. Over 10 years, that becomes more than $30,000. The secret? Time and patience. The longer you stay invested, the faster your money accelerates. That's why the rich don't rush. They let time do the heavy lifting. So here's the quiet wealth trick, in one simple formula. Save small, invest consistently, and let time multiply it. Forget timing the market. Forget chasing crypto hype. The people who truly win are those who stay in the market for years. You can start today using apps like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. Set up an automatic daily or weekly transfer, $3.50 a day or $25 a week. Then, forget about it. Let it grow. That's exactly what people like Warren Buffett and everyday index investors do. They don't try to get rich fast. They build wealth slowly, quietly, and surely. Because the difference between rich and broke is not how much you make, but how you manage what you already have. So, next time you spend $3.50, remember, that could either buy a moment of pleasure or a piece of your financial freedom. Wealth doesn't shout. It grows quietly. Every single day you stay consistent. If you're ready to start your quiet wealth journey, hit that subscribe button and join FinspireStudio, where we turn small habits into big financial freedom.